Welcome, everyone. The United States Air Force just made a decision that shocked the world. On July 30th, 2024, U.S. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall announced a surprising decision: the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program was on hold. The program, which was supposed to replace the F-22 Raptor with a sixth-generation fighter jet, was suddenly delayed. What really happened behind the scenes, and what does it mean for the future of us air dominance? The Air Force stated that it needed time to ensure that NGAD had the right design and operational concept. However, there was more to it than just the technical aspects. The decision reflected deep concerns about the program's estimated cost of hundreds of millions of dollars per unit. In a tight budget climate, with other priorities such as the development of the B-21 Raider and the Sentinel ICBM, could the U.S. continue to fund this ambitious project? Meanwhile, the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) drone has shown great potential as a cheaper and more flexible solution. Some analysts even argue that the CCA could replace manned fighter jets in the near future. Is this a sign that the U.S. Air Force is preparing to enter a new era, where artificial intelligence and autonomous technology are the backbone of air power? There are also political and economic pressures that cannot be ignored. Boeing and Lockheed Martin, two defense industry giants, have invested significant resources in the development of NGAD. The delay raises questions about the future of their investments. Will they see the program through, or will they face a major loss if it is canceled? Kendall says that while it is possible to make NGAD unmanned, current technology may not be ready for that step. However, with rapid advances in AI technology, as seen in the computer-piloted F-16 test against a manned aircraft, is it possible that we are about to see a paradigm shift in military strategy? The world is watching this move by the U.S. With China and Russia continuing to enhance their military capabilities, any decision regarding NGAD has global strategic implications. Does the delay reflect a shift in our strategy in the face of threats from global competitors? Or is it simply a temporary step to review existing strategies and technologies? The bigger question is the U.S. truly ready for the future of air dominance? With the rapid pace of technological innovation, is it possible to keep NGAD or even CCA relevant in the long term? And what about the role of humans in air warfare? Are we seeing the end of the era of human pilots in the cockpit? We'd love to hear from you. Do you think the decision to delay NGAD is wise, or does it risk weakening the U.S. military? Leave your comments below, and let's discuss together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest military technology and strategic analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget, information is power, and here, we bring you the latest and most in-depth information on military and technological developments. See you there.